Hello everyone, welcome to my world kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make a Cornish hens. It's a small bird. Look at that, how small it is. I think everyone knows what it looks like. Good for one person, I think. Or probably I can eat all this one piece. But first we need to clean it out with salt. Grab some salt in it. My salt is not coming out. There it is. Just do like that. Just wash this out. And this is the ingredients for the Cornish hens. Okay, now we're gonna put all this together. This is the cumin, garlic powder, black pepper, turmeric, this paprika, stick inside, and this is my chicken powder, and this is the lemon, dark sauce, this is the white wine, and soy sauce. Now we'll mix it up. Forgot to dry out the chicken. Okay, this is gonna be so fun with this because this is really colorful. And be careful with your shirt or whatever your clothes, because this is really stick on your shirt. Now let's start rubbing on that to the hands. I'm sorry, my voice is not that good today. We are talking with my allergy. Got that? Very dark. There. Just be careful with your clothes. It's not going to splash on your clothes. There you go, almost done. You have to marinate this overnight. That way you have more taste Okay. Now you can put all the sauce in there. And cover that up to marinate all night. There. That. Okay, let's cover this up and put in the fridge. Okay, let's put some seasoning on the vegetables. Salt. Here's the garlic herbs. You see that? And a little oil, olive oil. You mix that. Okay. So this is the Cornish hens that we marinated last night. We're going to bake this one. Put that in there. The little bird. Oops. This one is bigger. Put this in the middle. Stick that way. Put this vegetables. This is my style. Cornish hens with apple. So you can also use these ones in your holiday food, like your turkey, your chicken. Let's put some rosemary on top. Actually, I'm just gonna do like that. Okay, and then now we need to put some oil on top. This is olive oil. And then this is the sauce, the marinade. You can put this one on the bottom. Alright, and then we're gonna bake this one for like 50 to 60 minutes, 425 degrees. Okie dokes. So this is my spiced baked Cornish hens with apple. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Alright. Okay, let's try my bird. My birdie. With the apple and this with the sauce. Just a big bite. Yummy. Very good.